Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can use how you can edit photo online free. If you are looking for something to edit your photo for online free, you can watch my video and you can learn how you can do it. So we have to go pixr.com, this website. You go this website and here you can see some option, like if you want to quick and easy design, you have to click on this, and if you want advanced photo editor, then click on it. So I am showing you quick and easy design. I am clicking on this, close it, and let me open the image. Let me select this one, and here from here I can edit my image. Like if I want animation, I can do like this one. Also, if you want to add any text on here, you can do it by this option. If you want to change this text like happy, you can do it, and you can change the size. Let me change the size. Okay, for this let me resize. Okay, let me add it here. Okay, and then let me change the color. If I want to change the color, then it will here. Okay, and let me change the background. No, this background not good for me. Let me change. Okay, so here is my image I just edited. If I need this text, okay. If not, then just select it and click on delete layer. It will delete it. Now this image is perfect for me right now. If I want to save, just click on this save, and if I want to save it to my computer, then click on save as, then select your folder and click on save. It is going to save. Let me see if this video saved. See,